Welcome friends to Boiler Room Detective Channel. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe to the channel. This is the case of the steam-filled boiler room. I was hesitant about this service call. The owner said the pop safety valve was opening every couple of days. He replaced the safety valve and the new one did the same thing. What made me nervous about a pop safety valve opening is that steam displaces oxygen, making breathing difficult. In addition, there is no visibility in a room filled with steam. I saw evidence of the pop safety valve opening inside the boiler room. Water marks were on just about everything. Several pipes were leaking, and I had a bad feeling about the place. When high humidity is inside a boiler room, the moisture could find its way inside the electrical cabinets and cause an electrical short. The boiler flue pipe showed evidence of soot at the pipe joints. I went to my truck to get my analyzer. When I returned a few minutes later and opened the boiler room door, the room was filled with steam. Steam rolled into the hull and set off the smoke detector. Not a good day. Looking around, I saw there wasn't a door switch, which meant I had to walk across the boiler room and manually shut off the boiler. I clicked on my flashlight and it didn't help. Shutting it off, I slowly walked across the steam-filled room, looking like Frankenstein, with my hands straight ahead. It's amazing how many pipes or ducts are either at shin or forehead level, and I was grateful I only hit my shin once during the trip. The sound of the burner running helped guide me there. Standing in front of the boiler, I had no idea where the boiler shutoff was. I felt around and found nothing. Feeling around the boiler room piping, I found the gas drain and the manual gas shutoff. It wouldn't budge. What do? Do I make the trip back to the boiler room door? The maintenance person called and I answered, letting him know I was still there. Can you open the door to the outside so I can clear some of the steam? I asked, and he agreed. I traced the gas drain with my hand, hoping the other manual gas valve would work. It did. And when the door to the outside opened, the steam rushed outside. The burner finally shut off on flame failure because of the closed gas valve. I berated myself for not following my rules as the steam slowly escaped. When I go inside an unfamiliar boiler room, I open all the exit doors and only operate the boiler once I'm sure the boiler room is safe. I didn't do that today, and it could have ended badly. The pop safety valve opening was caused by both steam pressure controls being on one pigtail, which, like any good pigtail, was plugged. This shut off the pressure sensing ability of the pressure controls. I relocated the pressure controls onto two different pipes so that if one plugged, the other could sense the pressure. I prefer having each control on separate pipes. I used two new brass pigtails and started the boiler. Afterward, I used my combustion analyzer to adjust the burner's air-to-fuel ratio. I suggested installing a door switch to avoid this happening again. The maintenance tech told me he would bring it up with his boss. We've never been back to the building. It was a mutual agreement as it took them over 100 days to pay their invoice. If you would like to contact me, my contact information is here. In addition, I have two websites. BrewingWithSteam.com is focused on steam systems for breweries and distilleries. It includes a monthly blog about steam issues inside a brewery. My other site is FireIceHeat.com. It's my company's website and shows some of our capabilities. I have authored 12 books on boilers which are available on Amazon. My technical articles are included in these industry publications. Thanks for stopping by Boiler Room Detective, and I'll see you on the following case.